All right, let's look at this hair. Woo. Good morning, everybody. I hope this light is not bothering. That's better, but I can't see now. We'll just have to do it like that. Hi, good morning. I'm here. How are you? So it is Sunday morning at like 6:48. I got a volunteer at church for a second service at 11. So I was like, let me just get up and wash my hair, because this is like it was 2-week-old hair. Anyway, Neutrogena Ultra Sheer, good stuff. So I use this. I've been using this every day, and I haven't been putting anything like over it. It's not leaving a white cast, which is good. So I like it. All right, let's look at this hair. Woo. So you've already seen my other 2 videos about Palm Springs and the Grand Canyon. So before I went to the Sedona Grand Canyon, before I went to the Grand Canyon, I dyed my hair black. So that's been 2 weeks. So this is a 2-week-old hair job, and we are just gonna braid it up again. But I just wanted to come in and check in because I haven't seen you guys. Well, not like a sit down in a while. I am teaching summer school once again, but hey, guess what? It is easy money, and it's only from 8:30 to about 12:45, so that's good. So we're doing summer school. We only actually have like 11 more days, because summer school only runs 24 days or whatever. I have junior high, 7th and 8th grade. Mild moderate disabilities, I only have about 8 kids, so it's been really, really nice. 2 classroom aides, so it's been fairly easy. Okay, you know what I did last time I washed my hair? I did add a little bit of Cantu, because I wanted it to because I was going on a trip, right? I wanted it to lay down, so I'm gonna do that again, just a little bit. I actually like this. I haven't found anything that I haven't tried a lot, but let me tell you, I tried this one. Do you guys know about this one? And it made me itch so bad. It's just, I just tried it for like the edges. This stuff, I don't know what's in it that makes me, rosemary with biotin. Oh my gosh, sorry, this one made me itch. I can't use that anymore. So I use, for my edges, I do use this one. I'm sure it's better stuff out there. Let me know what you guys use, and then I'll just use a little bit of this, but that's it. All right, what else is happening? Nothing much. Like I said, we went to Sedona, which we always wanted to go. So we went to Sedona, and that was fun. And then we wanted to go to the Grand Canyon, which is about 2 hours away. So we were like, let's just go. Oh, you know what? I still need my, what you call it? I still use this. So good. This is my Jamaican black castor oil. So that was nice. You know what? Now that I think about it, I think I talked to you guys in Palm Springs a little bit, but that's fine. We'll chat again. That's it. So yeah, my summer days just consist of me getting up, going to summer school, coming home. When summer school is over, I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I never started my garden, so maybe I'll do that because I still have time. It's California. Oh, I know what I want to talk about, like local travel, right? We travel locally a lot. We live in the beautiful state of California, so I feel like there's always somewhere to go, right? We can go to the beach, we can go to the desert, we can go to the mountains, and it's just lovely. I love living here. Cost of living is high. Let me put you down so you guys can see. Cost of living, of course, is high, but to me, it's totally worth it. So anyway, local travel, right? We're always kind of, girl, get yourself together. Hold on. What is happening already? Okay, we're always like getting out, trying to do just little things, because I'm telling you, the little things really make a difference. So Palm Springs is about like an hour, maybe an hour and a half away from us. San Diego is probably like an hour and a half, 2 or whatever. And then Arizona, that was a little bit of a drive. That was 6 hours, but it was totally worth it. Would I drive again to Arizona? I don't want to. But I'll tell you, the drive from Sedona to the Grand Canyon is lovely. It's like you're going through this little forest. So that was really nice. I would definitely do that again with no hesitation. All right, hold on. I'll be right back because this ain't looking how I want to. I'm gonna have to stand up. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I just had to get the front and the top down, and then I still have the back to do. So we'll start that. What time is it? 7:15. Yeah, so that only took me a little less than 30 minutes to get that done. All right. Yeah, so we just got the back, which is not a lot. That'll just be a few braids. But yeah, so that's it, girls and guys. Nothing much happening here. Forgot what else I was gonna tell y'all. Probably nothing. Nothing happening. All right, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this and then I'll come back. I think, okay, this is what I want to do today. I want to, of course, go to church, get dressed or whatever. And then when I come home, I'm gonna make some juice. I bought that little TikTok viral juicer or whatever. So the only difference with that and like a regular juicer, because I have both, and of course, you know what they say, like the regular juicers, it's all those pieces you have to take apart, right? It's cumbersome. So you don't reach for that juicer, or at least me, I don't reach for that juicer a lot because there's so many parts, you have to take it out and all that. So this one is definitely more convenient, the little TikTok one. It's more convenient, but the only thing is that you add water to it. So to me, it's kind of like an agua fresca or an agua vegetable, or however you want to say it, because generally I'll do like celery and cucumbers and apples and ginger and lemon. It's so freaking good. So I want to make that today. So I will show you guys that. I'll make like I don't know how many ounces I'll be putting in there, but it's so good. So I'm going to make some of that juice today and I will bring you guys along. But other than that, that's it. Tomorrow I'll go do my son's hair after work, and then that's it. Nothing much for this week is going on. Next weekend we're gonna go bowling with our cousins, and that's it. The thrifting, the reselling business is going pretty well. I'm netting about $200 a month, which is good. I know if I put more items up, I have about 200 now. If I put more up, I'll net more, but 200 is good, like a little pocket change. I'm not trying to make a living off of it, but it's nice to just have a little extra money in your pocket and do something that you actually enjoy. I went to the thrift store last week and I picked up a few pieces to sell, but then it's like some of those are things that I want. I think I have like 1, 2, I got a few last week that are for me. I'll have to show you guys. I'll have to do a video on like my thrifted pieces, and then also pieces that I've been buying from Depop. Do you guys ever go on Depop? I sell on Depop and I buy on Depop. Depop will take all my money. I get good deals there, but I'm like, I gotta stay off this site as when it comes to like buying stuff, because I'll buy, and then like a lot of times the shipping is free. Please Depop, go away. So once again, I have enough clothes and I never, right now at this moment, I don't need anything else. Do I want anything? Not really. I do want, well, I'll take that back. I do want some nice shoes, like just nice shoes, like heels or whatever. So But I'm not trying to go buy any. I don't need any. I just want them. So anyway, alright, I'm gonna finish this and then I will see you guys later. Okay, we're done. I'm gonna show you the back. And now I'm gonna tie it down. I don't have to leave here until about 10 o'clock. So I'm gonna just tie this down so it can lay down. And then we'll go about it. I'm trying to think if I should make the juice now. I have to see if I should make the juice now or make it when I come home from church. Okay. All right. Did I put it under? Yeah, I put it under. Okay. So, set it and forget it. All right. See y'all later. All right, we made it to church. I'm walking across. I have to park at like the Kaiser because our parking lot is so crowded, and also the other service hasn't let out yet. But we made it. All right, we are home from church. So now I put my apron on so I won't get dirty. But now we're going to make our green juice. So let me show you what I'm gonna put in there, hold on. Okay, so we're gonna do celery, which I'm almost to the end of this celery. It says best by May 10th. Oh shoot, that's like a month old, but it should still be fine. So we'll do the celery. I'm gonna see how many cucumbers I can fit in there. A few apples. I'll just get the Gala apples from Costco. I get these from Costco too, but the thing is, I don't eat these quick enough and they start to get bad real quick. Apples, and then I have some ginger that I got from Ralph's. I love that a lot of times it's discounted, and so I'll just come home and freeze it and then just throw it in the juicer and it's totally fine. I'll do probably a half a lemon. I have to peel this though. I might do more. I like the taste that the lemon gives it, and that's it. So here's the one that I ordered. I got it off a TikTok shop, but I'll try to leave a link below. It is the KIDSLE brand, and I have, what do I have? I have a milk steamer, same brand. So I actually like this brand, and it was very cheap, and I think it was less than like $50. So I'm going to go ahead and heat that up. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up all my veggies and my cucumbers and throw it in here. The thing is with this, you have a line. So there's a max line in there, which is right here. So it's like I can't do as much as I want, but we'll do enough. But that's fine though, because the juice really lasts about 2 days. Like I'd like to drink it in 2 days, but I'll show you guys how much I get from it. Okay, so I ended up making this much, about 6 cups. But I'm going to split it into 2 because I want to like seal it off. But yeah, 6 cups with all of that. So what was it, about 4 stalks of celery, a half a cucumber, 3 apples, a knob of ginger, and a whole lemon. So let's pour it into here. We'll see how much we get into this one, and then I will see what I can do with the rest. So we're just gonna transfer it. So let's transfer it into here. Fill it all the way up to the top so it can stay fresh. Like all the way up. And then that way we can seal it. And then, this one's fine. You know what? I'm gonna put, I'll just seal it with that. Can I do it the other one? Okay, so I'm gonna seal it. So that one's sealed. And then this is, that's only 2 cups? Yeah, so I'll pour that into another one. Seal that up. How many? This might, will this fit in here? Let's see. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, cool deal. All right. We are good to go. We got it. Now I just got to find a lid for that one. Okay, I have this one right here.